Let's take a look at the Syncwire cell phone ring holder stand. We purchased this ring holder because we wanted to get the thinnest one possible. Pulling it out of the box, we take a look at the ring itself. The ring comes with the adhesive on it, ready to install. It just recommends to clean the target area and allow it to dry for at least 12 hours before adhering. The ring itself is sturdy, and we have used one for over a year on another case and were pleased with the results. Also included in the box was a wet wipe, used to clean the area that you plan to adhere the ring to. As mentioned, after cleaning the area, let it dry for 12 hours to ensure the best adherence. We also found a detailed instruction booklet that walks you through each of the steps required to install the ring. Overall, installation was fairly self-explanatory, but if you flip the instruction booklet over, it also provides instructions on how to remove the adhesive and reinstall the ring with the spare pad, also included in the box. The 3M pad can be applied to most smooth surfaces including plastic, metal and TPU. It does not work with silicone, leather or fabric cases. And here is the spare pad. As mentioned, we have used this ring for over a year, and the ring never even showed a sign of coming off. So let's go ahead and perform the installation. We are installing it on a magnetic iPhone wallet case, and chose this ring as it was the thinnest we could find. We wanted it to fit in a recess in the back of the case, allowing us to have a ring on this case, while still allowing the case itself to magnetically stick onto the outside wallet portion. As you can see, the black circle is the recess we created for the ring to sit in. The first thing you do is open the wet wipe and clean the target area for the ring, as directed in the instructions. Make sure you clean the area thoroughly to ensure it is free of all dust and dirt. After cleaning, we let the case sit there for 12 hours, as instructed, to make sure it had time to completely dry before installing the ring. Once completely dry, it is time to put the ring on the case. The first thing we did was remove the clear film protection from the front of the ring. It was a little tricky to get a hold of, but came off easily once you managed to get under it. Once removed, you can see it is a shiny, polished black, with the Syncwire logo on it. We then had to remove the backing of the 3M adhesive. Similarly, it was also a little difficult to remove, but with a few tries, we were able to get our fingernail under it and remove the backing. So, a couple of things here. There are actually two backings on the adhesive side. As you can see, we removed the first layer, but you also have to remove the white 3M backing to get to the adhesive itself. Again, with some work, we finally exposed the adhesive pad. We recommend you do this step as carefully as possible, as you want to expose the adhesive pad, but not remove or damage the pad itself. Finally, with the adhesive exposed, carefully place it on the area you cleaned. One thing to note is when placing the ring, make sure the logo is facing the direction you want. While the ring can rotate a full 360 degrees, the center of the holder will be fixed and not rotate. As instructed, hold the ring down for 10 to 15 seconds. And that is all it takes to install the ring. Although you can start using it right away, we would recommend avoiding heavy use for the first day or two, to allow the adhesive to fully bond. And here is the ring, fully installed on the case. As you can see, the ring easily opens and rotates. Slipping your finger through it also helps you securely hold your phone. Although thin, it is quite sturdy and can be used as a phone stand as well. Finally, as mentioned, our main goal was to add a phone ring to this magnetic wallet case that was thin enough to still allow the phone to magnetically stick to the outer wallet. As you can see, by creating a recess in the phone case and placing the ring in that area, the ring was thin enough to not add too much additional thickness. As such, the magnetic case still easily works with the outer wallet.